Welcome to Singapore, a city-state of 5.8 million people that is a fascinating mix of world-class things to see, incredible food, and is one of my favorite Asian cities. But Singapore is one of the world's most expensive cities. But what if I told you there are ways to explore it on a budget? With 13.6 million tourists a year, Singapore can feel overwhelming. Here's how to experience it stress-free. Singapore may be small, but I found a way to pack a world of adventure into just 4 days. Let me show you how. In this video, we'll delve into the must-see attractions that you must add to your itinerary. I will share a perfect 4-day itinerary at the end that I found to be superb and from my own personal experience. We'll share essential tips to enhance your visit, ensuring you make the most of your time in this dynamic destination. So, let's go. Next, the Cloud Forest offers a cool, misty environment where you can explore a stunning indoor waterfall and diverse plant species. The Flower Dome, the world's largest glass greenhouse, showcases a variety of flowers from different climates, making it a visual delight. Additionally, the Children's Garden is a fantastic space for families, featuring interactive play areas and water features. Lastly, the Heritage Gardens celebrate Singapore's multicultural history through themed gardens representing the Chinese, Malay, Indian, and colonial influences. For those looking to save, many areas within Gardens by the Bay are free to explore, including the Super Tree Grove and the outdoor gardens. Expect some waiting times, especially during peak hours, but the experience is well worth it, offering a blend of nature and technology that is truly unforgettable. When planning your visit to the Skyway and Observatory at Gardens by the Bay, it's essential to consider a few key tips to enhance your experience. First and foremost, we advise against pre-booking Skyway tickets due to the unpredictable weather in Singapore. Rain or strong winds can lead to temporary closures, and you wouldn't want to miss out on this spectacular experience because of weather concerns. Instead, purchase your tickets on site for greater flexibility. Before heading out, always check the weather conditions to ensure a pleasant visit. Clear skies will enhance your experience, allowing you to fully enjoy the breathtaking views. The Flower Dome and Cloud Forest at Gardens by the Bay are two of the most enchanting attractions, and were my personal favorites. When planning your visit, consider purchasing a combined ticket, which provides access to both conservatories at a discounted rate compared to buying individual tickets. This not only saves you money but also allows you to fully immerse yourself in the diverse plant life and stunning displays that each dome has to offer. The Cloud Forest is particularly remarkable, featuring a cool, misty environment that replicates the conditions of tropical mountain regions. Its centerpiece is a breathtaking indoor waterfall that cascades down a lush, vertical garden, creating a serene atmosphere. You can explore various levels of the Cloud Forest, discovering unique plant species, and learning about the importance of conservation efforts in these fragile ecosystems. In contrast, the Flower Dome offers a more traditional botanical garden experience, showcasing a vibrant array of flowers and plants from different climates around the world. The meticulously curated displays change seasonally, ensuring that there's always something new to see. Next, navigating Singapore using public transport is both affordable and efficient, making it an excellent choice for travelers. The city boasts an extensive network of buses and the Mass Rapid Transit, or MRT system, which connects key attractions and neighborhoods seamlessly. With frequent services and clean, well-maintained vehicles, you can easily explore the city without the hassle of traffic or parking. While some tourists consider purchasing tourist transport cards, it's often more economical to use a standard Easy Link card or a similar contactless payment method. These cards can be topped up as needed and provide significant savings compared to the daily rates of tourist cards. Using an Easy Link card allows for convenient travel on both buses and the MRT, eliminating the need to carry cash or worry about exact fares. For added convenience, consider using contactless payment methods such as mobile wallets or credit cards that support contactless transactions. This not only speeds up the boarding process but also enhances your overall travel experience. Visiting the Marina Bay Sands observation deck is a highlight for many travelers, offering breathtaking views of the city skyline and the iconic Marina Bay area. What an incredible view, mesmerizing. To make the most of your experience, especially if you plan to catch the stunning sunset, it's essential to pre-book your time slots. Sunset visits are particularly popular, and securing your spot in advance ensures you won't miss this magical moment as the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in vibrant hues. If you're looking for a cost-effective alternative to the observation deck, consider the C.E. Levy Sky Bar, located on the rooftop of Marina Bay Sands. While it offers a different perspective, the ambiance and views are equally impressive, and you can enjoy a drink while soaking in the scenery without the higher entry fees associated with the observation deck. When visiting C.E. Levy, be mindful of the dress code and entry requirements. Smart casual attire is typically expected, so avoid overly casual clothing like flip-flops or beachwear. Additionally, be prepared for potential minimum spend requirements, especially during peak hours. By planning ahead and considering these tips, you can enjoy a memorable experience at Marina Bay Sands while taking in the stunning views of Singapore. When planning your stay in Singapore, choosing the right accommodation is crucial for a convenient and enjoyable experience. The average cost for central accommodations typically ranges from 150 to 300 Singapore dollars per night, depending on the hotel's star rating and amenities. Location is key when selecting a hotel, as it can significantly enhance your travel experience. Opting for accommodations near MRT stations or popular neighborhoods like Orchard Road, Clark Quay, or Marina Bay ensures that you can easily explore the city without wasting time on lengthy commutes. For well-reviewed hotels, consider the Marina Bay Sands for its iconic architecture and stunning views, or the Raffles Hotel for a taste of luxury and history. The Hotel Gen Orchard Gateway is a great mid-range option, offering modern amenities and a rooftop pool. For budget travelers, the Yotel Singapore provides a unique and stylish stay without breaking the bank. Singapore is a year-round travel destination, thanks to its tropical climate, which means visitors can enjoy its attractions at any time of the year. However, it's essential to understand the weather patterns to make the most of your trip. The city experiences high humidity, and temperatures averaging between 25 to 31 degrees Celsius, or 77 to 88 degrees Fahrenheit, throughout the year, with occasional rain showers, particularly during the monsoon seasons from November to January and June to September. While rain can impact travel plans, it often comes in short bursts, allowing for plenty of opportunities to explore in between. Many attractions, such as indoor gardens, museums, and shopping malls, provide excellent alternatives during rainy periods. It's wise to carry an umbrella or a light raincoat, as sudden showers can occur unexpectedly. Flexibility is key when planning your itinerary around Singapore's weather conditions. Consider scheduling outdoor activities for the early morning or late afternoon when temperatures are cooler and the likelihood of rain is lower. Visiting the night safari in Singapore is a unique and thrilling experience that allows you to explore the nocturnal world of wildlife. As the world's first nocturnal zoo, it features a variety of attractions and activities that make for an unforgettable evening. The main highlights include the walking trails where you can observe animals like the Asian elephant, Malayan tiger, and various species of deer in their naturalistic habitats. The tram ride offers a guided tour through different geographical zones, providing insights into the animals' behaviors and habitats. To make the most of your visit, it's essential to avoid long queues, especially during peak hours. Arriving early can help you beat the crowds, allowing you to enjoy the attractions with less waiting time. Additionally, consider visiting on weekdays rather than weekends, as this can further reduce your chances of encountering large groups. Pre-booking is crucial for certain experiences, such as the exclusive guided tours or dining options within the night safari. These experiences often have limited availability, so securing your spot in advance ensures you won't miss out on unique opportunities. By planning ahead and being strategic about your visit, you can fully immerse yourself in the enchanting atmosphere of the night safari and create lasting memories. Visiting Singapore can be an incredible experience, and there are several ways to save money while enjoying its many attractions. One effective strategy is to purchase city passes, which offer access to multiple attractions at a discounted rate. These passes often include popular sites like the Singapore Zoo Gardens by the Bay and the ArtScience Museum, allowing you to explore more while spending less. In addition to attractions, dining in Singapore can be affordable if you know where to look. Hawker centers are a must-visit, offering a wide variety of delicious local dishes at budget-friendly prices. You can enjoy authentic meals like Hainanese chicken rice or laksa for just a few dollars, making it easy to savor the local cuisine without breaking the bank. Here are 2 highly recommended hawker centers in Singapore. Maxwell Food Center. Located in Chinatown, this iconic hawker center is famous for its authentic local dishes like Hainanese chicken rice and laksa. It's a favorite among both locals and tourists for its vibrant atmosphere and delicious food. Old Airport Road Food Center. Known for its wide variety of stalls, this hawker center offers some of the best char kway teow satay and prawn noodles in Singapore. It's a must-visit for anyone looking to experience traditional Singaporean flavors. Planning ahead is also crucial for maximizing your savings. Researching attraction prices and any available discounts can help you avoid paying full price. Many attractions offer online booking discounts, so purchasing tickets in advance can save you money and time. A great free and delightful thing to do is this gem. The Singapore Botanic Gardens, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that showcases the country's rich biodiversity. This lush oasis features stunning landscapes including the National Orchid Garden, which boasts an impressive collection of orchids. Strolling through the gardens provides a peaceful escape from the bustling city and an opportunity to appreciate nature's beauty. You will need 2 to 3 hours to fully appreciate its beauty. Another must-visit area is Little India, where you can immerse yourself in vibrant cultural experiences. The neighborhood is filled with colorful temples, bustling markets, and authentic Indian cuisine. Don't miss the chance to explore the Sri Veeramakaliamman Temple and sample delicious dishes like biryani and dosa at local eateries. The lively atmosphere and rich heritage make Little India a delightful addition to your itinerary. Additionally, the ArtScience Museum at Marina Bay Sands is a fantastic destination for art and science enthusiasts. Its unique lotus-inspired architecture houses rotating exhibitions that blend art, science, culture, and technology. From immersive installations to thought-provoking displays, the museum offers a captivating experience that is definitely worth a visit. Here's a well-rounded 4-day itinerary to make the most of your time in Singapore. Day 1, Arrival and Iconic Landmarks. Morning, start with a visit to Marina Bay Sands and enjoy the panoramic views from the Sky Park observation deck. Afternoon, explore gardens by the bay, including the Cloud Forest and Flower Dome. Evening, stroll along the Marina Bay waterfront and catch the Spectra Light and Water Show. And close by is the must-see Rhapsody of the nightly Garden Rhapsody show at Gardens by the Bay. Day 2, Cultural Exploration. Morning, visit Chinatown for its temples, markets, and authentic food. In the afternoon, head to Little India to experience vibrant colors, spices, and cultural landmarks. For the evening, explore Kampong Glam and the Sultan Mosque, then enjoy dinner at a trendy cafe. Or if you prefer, consider a later afternoon start to visit the Singapore Zoo and the night safari. On day 3, it's all about adventure and nature. In the morning, spend the day at Sentosa Island. You can try Universal Studios, the Sea Aquarium, or just relax on the beaches on a nice sunbed. Get to Sentosa on the cable car, it's a brilliant ride with an amazing view. Afternoon, continue exploring Sentosa with activities like the Skyline Luge or Adventure Cove Water Park. Evening, return to the mainland and enjoy the nightlife at Clark Quay. Day 4, Hidden Gems and Farewell. Morning, visit the Singapore Botanic Gardens, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Afternoon, go shopping at Orchard Road. Evening, wrap up your trip with a visit to the Singapore Flyer or a river cruise. And visit the Maxwell Hawker Center or a nice dinner at Chismes, a beautifully restored historic complex with Japanese, Italian, and local delights. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more travel tips and insights. Thank you for watching. Let's wander.